We use the same components in the commercial refrigeration cycle as the residential refrigeration cycle. However, the size of components used in the commercial system is large. We also use different types of components that suit specific purposes for commercial HVAC applications. For example, in a chiller system, we use a shell and tube evaporator. Recall that a fin tube evaporator is used in residential air conditioners. The number of control components used in the commercial refrigeration cycle is more than the residential cycle. This is because we need more precise temperature control in commercial HVAC systems. For example, commercial refrigerators and freezers are used to store more stuff than residential systems. They may contain perishable products such as milk, vegetables, meat, etc. If we don't control the temperature precisely, it may spoil them. Along with the main components of refrigeration cycle, there are many secondary components present in the commercial system. Some of them include liquid line receiver tank, oil separator, filter dryer, and accumulator tank. The receiver tank stores all the excess refrigerant present in the refrigeration system. Recall that the commercial system has a higher cooling load that fluctuates as per surrounding conditions and the number of occupants. We need this refrigerant whenever the load fluctuates. Recall that components of the commercial system are larger. We require excessive oil for the lubricating compressor of the commercial system. If this oil enters the evaporator coil, it reduces the heat transfer and cooling. We use an oil separator to remove the oil from the refrigerant. Recall that we use a filter dryer to remove moisture from the refrigerant and filter the refrigerant. They are used in both residential as well as commercial HVAC systems. However, they are a necessity in commercial systems. We can sometimes find multiple filter dryers in commercial HVAC appliances. Recall that an accumulator is used in the residential system to prevent liquid from entering the compressor. As the commercial system works on the same cycle, we use an accumulator tank to protect the commercial system from damage.